Welcome everybody to Carol's art room. I'm going to do a blue, turquoise and gold bloom on this little wooden tile, 4x4 tile. My Glidden Premium. All my recipes are in the description under the video. It's eggshell. A little bit of runoff paint mixed in it. Sometimes I save it. All right, this is Amsterdam bluish green. I'm going to put it on the bottom. I almost finished this. I'm going to make some more. And I'm going to use some you know what? I think I might just do all turquoise and green. Maybe I'll leave the gold out this time. I did another one with gold, so let's try it with just the green and the turquoise. That is Artist Loft Leaf Green with Arteza Mint Green. This one is DecoArt Aquamarine. I feel like I need another turquoise, but I'm gonna see if I have one. I have some phthalo turquoise. It's pretty dark, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Just a little dab. Oops, that's a big dab. And then I have some Arteza Mint Green I'm going to put on top. It's not very centered, is it? I'm not going to use an hand this time. Oh, wow. It's going to be pretty dark, but look how pretty that is. That was the phthalo. Maybe I should have put gold in it to lighten it up a bit, but we'll see. We'll see how it spins out. All right, let's see. mixture has turned it like a silvery color. It's two different greens and two different turquoises. That's surely different. It's very pretty. All my recipes are in the description under the video. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do new videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And thanks for coming by. It all helps my channel grow and it doesn't cost you anything. That's really pretty. Look at those. Those are so gorgeous. I'm just debating if I should modify it. Let's just spin it. I thought the middle would spin out a bit. I'd love these to spread out a bit more. Wow, that looks cool. Poke a few of these white bubbles. It's from this pillow paint underneath. Wow. I love the cluster in the middle. Okay, I think we're good. Let's poke a few more of these. It's amazing how that turned into a silvery color in the middle. Okay, I'm stopping and I'm going to let this dry, and I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a great day, everybody. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. Those cells in the middle look so silvery, and I didn't even put silver in here. Very pretty. Love it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.